Hey, where are you going?
Just running this garbage down to the first floor.
Wow, that's a lot. It's crazy the amount of plastic waste our labs generate every month.
I know, and I feel terrible about it, but what can we do?
Oh, well, here's one little thing. Remember that pack of Gibco One Shot bottles I gave you last week?
Yeah, why?
Did you know that using them instead of aliquoting can reduce your plastic waste by as much as 33%?
That would sure make this bag a lot smaller.
Yeah, and now if I can only reduce this waste.
Exercise. By the way, my lab manager gave me the go-ahead to stock up on those one-shot bottles, so thanks again for the tip.
No worries. So does that mean you can feed my cells again this weekend?
Not this time. I've got a date.
Oh yeah? Then you'll probably want to get in a workout.
Learn more at thermofisher.com/oneshot.